Karibu sana mwancho muligilia ase platform ya Mr. Captain Live. Karolero mwancho mulili tuligilie omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Fred Matiang'i mwancho mulilo nyara kwa batebanga ngo chiale ko nyara kaba kagotinena kubulia ekerugo ky'uburayi bwense 2027. Ekeruko lili mwancho muligilia ekeruko ale ko motegerana Dr. Fred Matiang'i nanyarete ko kukwananga goiko muntu ogende nka bwogo gosende sino endo on your own state ohabuse kwanso manya gosoko chikoligia ekerugo ky'uburayi gosikia sichinsemo chinde bune njira ya moyo gosoko ngo goiko soko chikoligia abasani oligina abantu bande bakubwatesi onyare ko bagokubuli ekerugo ky'uburayi bwense igo ngamine tinga takunyarere bika goikarigi ebyongosi binde koruchinsemo ao banyare ko bako support egera nyare ko bako nyore kirugi kiga ky'uburayi bwense 2027. Liswali ntete nkuboli mwancho muligiria neliga. Do you think gusi leaders mpale amo gosemba buata ine gosemba buata that unity baranyare ko babako konya omoske Fred Matiang'i anyare ko ba gakubuli kirugo ky'uburayi bwense koseka kanyore support kuruchinsemo chinde chia Kenya buna bono kuru Mount Kenya kuru Western kuru Coast. Do you think?
Kwa hiyo meza ya kutengeneza serikali kuu ya nchi hii, lakini hatutaki mtu atoke kule nje akuje kutuambia lazima, kwa sababu nimesikia wamejipanga, walikuwa wafanye mkutano leo hapa at one time. Kwenda huko na one time yako. Wacha niseme hivi tu, tufanye mkutano Kisii, tualike Matiang'i. Ni anaalika wewe, sio wewe unaalika Matiang'i. Mimi waje niwaambie Mheshimiwa Gachagua, naheshimu wewe ni rafiki yetu, lakini lazima utatupea heshima hapa Kisii. We will deal with you as an equal. Hivyo tu. Kwanza ile shida nilikuwa nayo hapa Kisii, uliona pale nikiwa stadium ofisi yangu wakatuma JSU, tukiwa pale Mosocho, Mheshimiwa Gachagua mwenyewe akasema Simba, until you behave, that's the only time we can give you a bodyguard. I told him I will not behave anytime soon. Mpaka akatoka kwa ofisi.
Yes. After kuwa tegede clip ekyo mugavana Paul Simbarati kwa mwigule byekima ekera kukwanira iguru ya abarayi bande gosenga morayi tocha gusiyo nyare koba okumukalipishya gose kokumwaligania omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Tima tinga, what's your take on that? Do you think enkwane ya Simba ngakio nteto yebe on your own context postpone tebinga? What do you think of that statement? Omwancho muligelia siasa ne strategy. Bwango iga omoske Rigathi Gachagua ngotebekanire ngana bangite achikunyara baga go visit achikunyara baga go visit ye county ya Kisii na Nyamira, lakini tihachi kunyarekana ngotebekanire nga techi nyarekana omoske Gachagua nyare kwa go visit chinsemecho, lakini asekunya ngotebekana ngeta hari nero of which we don't no ngama ankiera chebe, lakini ntomanya with time. Omwancho muligelia tigantebe gas Mr. Captain. Ntuno mugusi Matiang'i is our candidate for 2027 presidential bite. Moske Rigathi Gachagua ogocha kwa ime ya gusi nenchira ya email yo kubwatesia omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Dr. Fred Matiang'i konyora basani gose kuba supported nebiyongozi au gose Kenya alikano moske buna Rigathi Gachagua anyara kwa go support moske Fred Matiang'i igera abege trimbo gose igera abenchere ngororo kidogo omoske Fred Matiang'i goika ase intubuna bagusito kaniti iki no into bagusinto iwetenga angona potwagamba. So we need this kind of leaders bachiche batoko boko gose batunge whichever means na into nyara ko batoko nyore kiruki yakyo for events. So as a unit of Umugusi, niga, but it can't be unit of Umugusi as Umugusi mwananchi, but as leaders. Abagusi abarai baito goikana baro bachichamo banyale ko babagoto bekamo egera tunyale ko batokorokana bunige sauki Umugusi ntole magega ya Fred Matiang'i. Lakini if at all our leaders are the one baranyale ko bagokwana enkwana enyale ko bagego tobeka ina separate part, I don't know. Oigo mwanchu muligereria likikulia lero the same note omoske Anthony Kibagendi oyo lo mubunge webunge ya Kitutu cha South nanyala ko comment ngwanire iga eyingo chikonyala ko nkokosomera korwa ase page ya Facebook nanyala ko bukulike ento goteba iga Omugusi onde bwensi okorwania the 6th Fred Okengo Matiang'i kose okomochecheria na balia korwa ebisaku binde bakumubwatesia oyo no mubisa omonene bwegesaku ky'Omugusi. So guys, kolengana nengwana iga ya Omoski Kibagendi, actually the main thing, what's your take? So ntegetora consider those. First clip ya Omoske Governor Paul Simbarati oigo origiline nkwani yiga yomoske Anthony Kibagendi.
We have our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself indeed to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i. We want to urge our brothers all over the country, let us see the candidate of Matiang'i, and I'm calling upon Honorable Gachagua, if indeed the passion that you have for the change of the country, the only change that we can get it through Matiang'i when you are supporting him. If Ruto today decided to support another person, let us assume he has vacated office in his first term, we ask him to support Matiang'i. Baba, if it's possible, if you're not running, support our brother, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. That's the call I'm making. There is some people who are extortionists in the camp of opposition. Their business is collecting money from unsuspecting candidates. We want to warn them that we can't move far with this kind of people in the struggle. Otherwise, you'll be puncturing us before we make a move.
Tumenane litukuli yanki mwanchu muligeli, Mr. Captain.